Today, I choose to see the beauty in everything. Gratitude strengthens my mind and uplifts my spirit. I believe in myself and my limitless potential. I am thankful for this moment and all that it brings. I welcome this day with gratitude and joy. My thoughts are filled with positivity and appreciation. I choose to focus on the good in every moment. Gratitude opens my heart to endless possibilities.
Grand Rising family. I'm going to try to be as respectful as I can because I am here with other people. So I don't want to be too loud. It's kind of cold out here, but it's a beautiful day. Check it out, right? Out here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. It's very calm, very peaceful. Okay. Today we're being reminded, to just remember our own strength, remember our own resilience, to stay grounded, to stay strong, to stay bright, okay? Shout out to the ancestors. We thank you for your protection, your peace, your love, your grace. Thank you to the Most High. Shout out to Ra shining down upon us. Ashe. Okay. But guys, wow. Speaking of clear paths. Okay. Your obstacles have been removed. They have been removed. Okay. It is reaping season. Okay. It is time for you to bloom. Okay. You are that beautiful flower, that beautiful rose that grew from the concrete, that grew from adversity. Things were tough, things were rough, but you remained you remained strong. You never gave up, You're different. You're different. And you're meant to shine differently. You're meant to be set apart, You're meant for great things. You're meant for love, abundance, joy, happiness, peace. These are your birthright. This is what is rightfully yours. And because you have removed these energies, you've let go of the things and the people that don't serve you, you're really stepping into your power and walking in your peace and walking in your truth, and standing up for you, okay? Because of that, you are given what is rightfully yours. You're about to receive that blessing. Something had to be removed, The things, it's like the people had to be removed, Something about not wanting to give you a blessing when these energies will suck it from you or, something like that, okay? But know you're on to bigger and better things, baby. You out here shining bright like the sun. Okay. You're out here doing amazing things. Not only for yourself, but for the universe, And it doesn't have to be something like, you're speaking to millions and billions, okay? It's just you healing. Okay, you healing, you doing the work. It not only heals, our lineage and the bloodlines to come, the ones to come, but it heals the world. Okay? When you heal yourself, we heal each other. Okay? Ashe. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. You guys, it's really cold out here, okay? Let me chill. Yeah. You guys, but look how beautiful nature just is, Shout out to the ancestors, okay? But, just be, you know? Things are not supposed to be complicated, you know? It either is or it isn't. Is you is or is you ain't, okay? But it either is or it isn't. And I just seen a spider web, okay? Mhm. Transformation 555, okay? I heard a grand transformation, okay? This is not something that's going to be difficult, okay? And I'm looking at this little tree right here. Can y'all see it? Y'all see it? Right there, and it's reminding me of the Two of Swords, decision making. Okay, you guys made the right decision. The decision that was best for you, you know? But yeah, guys, go out here in nature. Go ground yourself, ground your energy. Okay? Energize yourself, revitalize yourself out in nature. Okay? Get back to you, you know? The sun is just shining down so beautifully on me, and I love that confirmation, you know? But I'm hearing, it's going to be your birthday, birthday, birthday. I love that, okay? Very much so, sun card energy. Okay, and I'm seeing angels right now in my third eye as well. Okay, divine protection, divine insight, being guided right back to the spider web, a divine transformation, and I'm seeing the death card. Okay, and now I'm seeing the scarab beetle, the scarab, yeah, beetle. And they both really signify the same thing: transformation, revitalization. Am I saying that right? Revitalization. Y'all know what I'm saying. Okay. Healing. Okay. And I'm hearing prosperity. And I know that the scarab beetle, I don't think that means that. I think that's just a confirmation for somebody. Okay. Abundance in all aspects, okay? And I'm looking at this tree and I'm looking at this leaf, okay? Y'all know things are blooming, it's spring, okay? And I'm hearing, get ready for your blessing, for your blessing, for your blessing. I want to dance, you guys. I want to dance, I want to sing, I want to shout. Okay, so it's like that's what season we're going to be walking into, when we're getting guided right back to that mountain over there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Okay, but you guys have worked hard. It's like a climb, you know. And I'm seeing a goat. Okay. I love that. Yes. Remain strong, remain resilient, and we're getting confirmation the phones are going off. Okay? But keep going, guys. Things are about to get beautiful, is what I heard. Okay? So you got some beautiful, beautiful things on the way, and congratulations to you.